Yeah. Because I know I didn't know the numbers. I mean, and then when you told me, it's like, wow. But then I think about it. I know within 20 miles of my house, there's been 5 people this year.
Right.
That's
Yeah.
wild, man.
And there's been several right here in Central Ohio.
People getting shot on their porch.
Mm,
A friend of mine with a big heart big as my chest or my head. You know what I'm saying? Gets killed. I don't get it. Then a few other people that I know that are not, in the streets or not doing anything illegal. You
right.
know, they've been killed. A couple young kids have been killed. What's going on in my city? What's the vibration of my city? That's why I speak love all the time and try to be unified. And us older men, we trying to get together to show that it's masculine, to love one another. It's masculine to take care of your brother. It's masculine to take care of your woman. It's masculine to, reach back for them kids that's lost.
Absolutely.